Unbeaten by rain.
雨にも負けず。
Unbeaten by rain. Unbeaten by wind. Unbowed by the snow and the summer heat. Strong in body. Free from greed. Without any anger. Always serene. With a handful of brown rice a day. Miso and a small amount of vegetables suffice. Whatever happens. Consider yourself last, always put others first. Understand from your observation and experience. Never lose sight of these things. In the shadows of the pine groves in the fields. Live modestly under a thatched roof. In the east, if there is a sick child, go there and take care of him. In the west, if there is an exhausted mother, go there and relieve her of her burden. In the south, if there is a man near death, go there and comfort him, tell him don't be afraid. In the north, if there is an argument and a legal dispute, go there and persuade them it's not worth it. In a drought, shed tears. In a cold summer, carry on. Even with a sense of loss. Being called a fool. Being neither praised nor a burden. Such a person I want to be. Kenji Miyazawa.